All right, everyone, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to have a conversation about intersectionality in the workplace and how it relates to our team's commitment to diversity and inclusion.
First of all, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Intersectionality is the understanding that people's identities and experiences are shaped by multiple factors such as race, gender, nationality, religion, and more. It's about recognizing that these aspects intersect and influence each other.
So it's not just about one aspect of diversity, it's about how all of these different parts of who we are come together to shape our experiences.
Exactly, Jane, and when we acknowledge and embrace intersectionality, we create a more inclusive environment where everyone feels value everyone feels valued for their own selves.
But how do we put this into practice? I mean, how do we make sure we're considering all these different aspects of diversity in our everyday work?
One way is through our hiring promotion and process. We need to make sure we are actively seeking out candidates from diverse backgrounds and considering how their unique perspective could benefit our team.
That's a great point, Michelle, and it's not just about checking boxes, it's about recognizing the value that diversity brings to our team and our work.
I also think it's important for us to educate ourselves and each other about intersectionality. We all have blind spots, and it's up to us to learn from each other and challenges our assumptions.
Agreed. And we can forget the importance of listening to and amplifying the voices of those who are marginalized or underrepresented. We need to create space for everyone to be heard.
Absolutely, Joy. Our team is the strongest when everyone feels empowered to contribute their ideas and perspective.
All right, thank you all for your insights. I'm proud to work with a team that values intersectionality and is committed to create an inclusive workplace for everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.